Hi guys, look what I have, these delicious smoothie popsicle treats. After walking for 3 hours with my brother today, or anytime after a workout, for a treat, a snack, a dessert, these are amazing, low fat, and of course, you know my favorite word, delicious treats, all right? And this one's a mango strawberry, and this is just a plain strawberry one. And you can get cute little containers. I got them at Walmart or the dollar store. There's ice cream ones and the ones that I just showed you. This one is really cute too. So, you know, it's up to you, whatever molds that you can find that are super cute. So we're gonna make a strawberry, a mango, and a strawberry mango. And basically it's 3 ingredients, okay? So I just have mangoes that I get at Costco, big bag, or wherever you can find them. And I have sliced strawberries that I keep in my freezer. Obviously they have to be frozen. If you have old strawberries or mangoes, put them on a cookie sheet, okay? And you can freeze them and then stick them in a baggie so then they don't stick together. So that's one of my tips. So all I do is let's do the mango first, and I'm using 1 cup. Now you guys can double, triple this recipe, and I'm putting in about a cup of some almond milk. You can use 1%, you can use skim milk, whatever you want. And then I love the lakanto sweetener, and I'm gonna add about a tablespoon because the fruit is quite sweet. And, you know, again, you can decide if, you know, I always taste it afterwards, and then we're just gonna pulse it. It's really, really quick to make. Of course, you have to let it freeze. So I'm just gonna make sure this is on well. No, sometimes this is a little tricky. And we'll try it again. There we go. So then I just check it. And I like it to be a little bit thick, not too thin, okay? So for 1 cup of mangoes, because they're a thicker type of fruit, I'm just gonna show you that it's so creamy. Let's taste it. Oh my God. Amazing texture, okay? So you'll see the consistency when you make it. It's really super creamy. All right, now we gotta work fast. So now, and I wouldn't add more sweetener at all. So for the strawberries, I'm putting in a 1/2 cup of the milk because strawberries have more water. Another tablespoon of the sugar. And hopefully that should be enough. Okay. We'll make sure we put the lid on well. And I'm using my Ninja. But if you have a blender or a bullet, I know it's quite noisy. All right, so let's check this one. You can see in seconds, and pretty much any fruit that you enjoy, bananas, pineapple, and this is, again, nice and smooth, and the same consistency, okay? So a 1/2 cup to a cup of strawberries, a cup to a cup of mangoes, all right? Delish. All right, so what I like to do is I just get my popsicle molds, and I'm gonna start with some mango, and then add strawberry, and then add mango. And then you get this really cute, hold on, design like that, okay? So then you could start with strawberry, push it in, and then add mango. And if you're doing it with your kids, your grandkids, or just for yourself, I just love it because it looks so pretty. Just like that. And then you can just do plain strawberry. All right, just fill it up with strawberry. And then just plain mango. Because we absolutely love these. And you can enjoy them any time of year. Okay, so that's it. You just keep filling it. And then, of course, add your sticks in. Put them on. And I'm going to just tell you a trick afterwards. I love all the fun colors for the season. And we're going to just make sure that you wipe the sides. Now, when you take them out of the freezer, all you need to do is put them under some warm water for a few minutes, and you twist it, and then it comes out like this, all right? So that's it. Oh my God, let me take a bite. So yummy. Again, taste them, decide if you like it a little bit sweeter, all right? But honestly, you don't need much. And depending on what milk you use on WW, it's gonna be 0 smart points for the whole recipe, okay? Unless, you know, depending on the milk you use for 1 cup, it might be 1 smart point. But again, you know, unless you eat all of them, then it's 1 smart point, depending on how many you make as well. All right, so that's it. I love you guys. Take care. Share my channel. Tell me what you think. Comment below. Would you change anything? Comment below. Tag me when you make them. Mwah. Love you guys. Bye for now.